Goes a little something like
Hi guys, it's me, Writer Ria, and for today's videos, mag-o-open tayo ng nothing new. And this book is, I got it for 2 books to, prem pareho, and nakuha ko lang siya for only 153 pesos. Dahil, gumawa ko ng bagong Shopee account kasi nga, may problema yung isa. So, let's open this. Ito kasing book na to is Evergreen and Sana Ngayon Part 1. And wala pa talaga sa isip ko na bilhin siya, but I guess it's, destiny. Uy. Kasi nag-sale sila. And then, sumabay pa yung voucher ko as, parang kapag gumawa kasi ng bagong account, alam mo yun, parang may discount ka, like 70 pesos off, ganun. Yun yung nakuha ko. Diba? Lakado. Ito. UP yung isa. Ayan guys, so. UP. Sayang. Yan. Every Game by Nighting Black. And Sana Ngayon by Sang Vedra. Gastos din naman. So, as you can see the difference, yung isa mild lang, yung isa wild. Nadagdagan na naman po ang bibit-bitin ko sa MIBFS. And, may damage po. Yes, may damage. Ang aking copy. Kita nyo naman. Halatang halatado. Ayan guys. Tapos ay kung bakit may damage na naman yung copy ko. What did I do? To deserve this, cherries. Tapos, pareho pa yung bookmark ko. Yung isa din may damage. Nakakalungkot naman. Ganito ata yung niya. Ganyan. Pero, anyway, thank you so much, Saicom, for these books. For this, kararating niya sa akin kahapon. And, nakuha ko na siya ngayon yan. Thank you so much. Yun lang, share ko lang yung unboxing vid ko. Bye-bye. Pero, bye.